Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock phone with forgot password. As you can see, I have this phone, and as you can see, if I forgot its password, as you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see I type my time and I can see type again in 25 seconds. So you can see, so if I forgot password, how to unlock the phone. So you can see, if I again do in 11 minutes, just try it. Okay, so you can see, okay, I again try. Okay, so you can see again no luck. Try again in 28 seconds. You can see, okay, so if I forgot password, how to unlock it? Here I am showing you. Okay, to it, first you have to turn off your smartphone like this. Just tap on it and turn it off. So as you can see, try again in 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, now what's the method to turn it off? Okay, to turn it off is press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for a few seconds like this. Just press and hold it like this, press and hold it. And now release, and now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. And now release. And as you can see, it will send you in Android recovery mode. You can see, guys, this is the Android recovery mode of Samsung M20 LTE. So you can see, this is the Android recovery mode. Okay, now here use volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here, as you can see the wipe data factory reset. Select the wipe data factory reset and confirm. And here you can see, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Okay, now go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see wiping data, formatting data. You can see wiping data, formatting data. Please wait. So you can see, okay, data wipe complete. You can see data wipe complete. Okay, now simply reboot system now. Okay, now you can see it has successfully hard reset. Okay, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. So keep this in mind. It might take some time. As you can see, currently I am waiting. When setup screen will appear, it can take up to 5 minutes. As I said, it might take some time to boot up the device after hard reset. And guys, one more thing. When you do hard reset, the all stored data files will be deleted. After hard reset, all stored data files in your phone will be deleted. So as you can see, starting Android, okay, installing applications. Just wait. So you can see, welcome to Samsung, your device is registered. Now it is installing applications. Okay, I'm waiting. It is downloading preloaded applications. So guys, here you can see after 4 to 5 minutes I get this setup screen. You can see, let's go. Okay, now if I tap on let's go, so you can see check out some info to get started. Okay, now end users and privacy details, and go to next, and here I have a read. Okay, no, just go back. There is no need to right click on the optional things. Okay, so you can see the end user license agreement and privacy policy. Now click on next. So you can see an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. Okay, so now here click on OK. So you can see turn off Wi-Fi. So you can see just skip it. As you can see, the mobile network is already connected. Now it is checking for updates. If I go on top, okay, now not available. The notification bar, slide from top. Just wait. So you can see just a second. Now it is checking. So guys, you can see here you can see use my Google account instead. You can see your phone was factory reset. Enter your PIN to unlock it. Okay, so now you just have to do this thing. Use my Google account instead. Here you can see, just tap on it. Use my Google account instead, and here you can see. Now here you can see verify your account. Okay, so now I am going to verify my account. Just wait, I'm going to verify it. So you can see this is the Google account I previously logged in this phone. Okay, now tap on next. So you can see enter your password. You can see enter your password, enter it. Okay, so you can see I entered my password. Okay, now click on next, and you can see two-step verification. So you can see, just try it another way and use the mobile number, and as you can see now, so now enter it. Wait, uh, just click on next. So you can see the previous Google account on this device has been verified. You can add this account back to this device, or you can use a new account. Okay, so add previous account. It is now getting the account information. Please wait. So you can see just a second. Okay, so no backups found. Click on next. Okay, no thanks. Okay, now here tap on agree, and here skip, and here select OK. Here you can see adding the finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. You can see, please wait. So here I'll select all those things. And click on next. And here tap on skip. So here you can see guys, all done. Now just tap on finish. So you can see experience Samsung services. Okay, tap on OK and tap on agree here. So guys, you can see now the phone is successfully unlocked. Okay, so if you forgot the password, this is the method to unlock the phone. And guys, all that all stored data files will be deleted after hard reset. Just keep this in mind. So guys, this is the method to unlock the phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates. Goodbye.